In this video, I'm going to compare Gamma AI and Notion AI to help you decide which one you should use. Let's dive in. Starting with the high-level scores, I see Gamma leading with an 8.5 overall rating, just ahead of Notion AI's 8.3. As I scroll down, the radar chart visualizes their strengths across performance, value, and ease of use. If I look at the specific scores, Gamma edges out Notion in performance with an 8.0, though both platforms tie for reliability and ease of use. The verdict suggests that Gamma's speed in building presentation decks in under a minute gives it the win. Moving on to pricing, I see Gamma offers a free tier with 400 credits, while Notion AI is a $10 monthly add-on per user. When comparing the pros, Gamma is the clear winner for creating stunning, visual presentations with unique card formats. However, Notion AI is more powerful for workspace-wide Q&A and summarizing documents without switching apps. I'd recommend choosing Gamma if your primary goal is high-quality presentations, but go with Notion AI if you need a smart assistant integrated into your existing Notion workspace. Both are excellent, but the right choice depends on whether you value presentation design or workspace management more. And there you have it, that's Gamma AI versus Notion AI.